Ayun, nandoon siya. May papakita ako sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo ng masarap na sausawan sa tinapay, bumili kayo nito. It's Nando's Perinaise Mayonnaise. Masarap yan, I'm telling you now. Lagay nyo sa tinapay, tapos lagay nyo ng salad, chicken, at isa pang masarap ay ito. Burger sauce. Ang sarap niyan pag gagawa kayo ng burger sauce. Yan, kapag gumawa kayo ng burger. So, ayun si Mother. Pareho na kaming pipilay-pilay. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo to. Tingnan nyo to, ha. This one as well. Bumili kayo nito. Pagkat kung meron kayong press na tinapay, ito na lang ang kailangan nyo. Oh, nawala na sa mata ko. Saan na napunta? Ayun. Tignan nyo. This one here. Kita nyo? Tuna, lemon, and dill mayonnaise. Oh. Ayan lang ang kainin nyo sa toasted na tinapay. Ayos na kayo. There's also a roasted capsicum and mayonnaise. There's a pesto and mayonnaise. I haven't tried this one actually, the pesto mayonnaise. But I kinda like the other one. I prefer this one. So if you ever go shopping, you want something nice for toasted bread or sandwich, there you go. You'll never go wrong. Okay. Tapos na kami. Both of us are crippled. Pilay siya, pilay din ako, and I can't walk properly dahil na-disgrasya ako. I know, I just mentioned that. I've been using that in making wraps. Yan, pag gumawa ka ng wraps at saka ito pag burger. Ang sasarap niyang mga yan. Okay guys, we are finished. Hindi na kami pwedeng mag-shopping ng marami at mabigat itulak. Ito pa nga pala, when you're cooking something, kita niyo yan, garlic and onion fuse. Palagi akong bumibili yan. Kasi meron na siyang sarili niyang lasa. Okay, this side is mine. Oh, kamami pala tong side na to. That side is mine. Palaging nangyayari na sa tuwing nagsa-shopping kami, palagi ko nalimutan magdala ng bag kasi I don't intend to shopping. Concentrate ng pagsa-shopping yung magnanay. Uuwi na kami. Kumuha lang siya ng pera pambayad sa pagka-garden bukas sa kanyang garden. Hindi pa. We have to go to number 3. Naunahan ako itong ali na to. Akong sinabihan siya, ang inunahan ako. So, ayan. Suot ko ngayon yung bago kong damit na in-order sa Shein. I didn't think na makapag-shopping ako ngayon kasi masakit ang paa ko. Pero not to worry, not too much. Ang gaganda ng mga kamatis guys, tignan nyo. Alam ko may kamatis ako sa bahay pero iba yung malalaki na ginagamit mo na kaagad. Ay, tumulo pa. I don't need big shopping, tama na to. Then kay Mami. So, ayan po ang grocery ni Mother at yung kalahati niyan akin. Serious na serious, ayaw ngumiti. Nagtakip pa ng mukha. Oh. Ang hirap magtulak ng pipilay-pilay. So, sa chemist kami pupunta. May bibiling kaming quickies. $10 pero 3. Ano doon? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na bilhin nyo kapag masakit yan nyo. Tsaka Ino, the best yan. Meron din si Mother. Meron din si mother na binili. Ayun, nasa kamay niya. Oh.
Sa'yo yan?
Oh, sa akin to, babayad ako. Wala lang tao dun sa Indian sa cellphone. Pwede na kami magpunta ni Mami. Kanina busy. May sineserba na isa. Nangingi siya ng membership card niya eh. Kasi dito, pag bumili kayo sa chemist na to sa Alton, pag may card kayo, before you know it, naiipon yung points niyo. Meron kayong refund, return, discount. And it works. The other day, I got about $10 off. It's not bad. Okay, between me and Mami, yan lang siniyak namin. Halos mahigit 100 yan. Yun ang kanya dun sa kabila, dito akin. Bumili ako ng chicken kasi may aso kami. And of course, partly yung akin din for lunch. Namamaga pa rin yung pa ako sa pagka-disgrasya ko. Ayan, may sugat po. Hi everyone! I am in Alton Shopping Center. If you want your phone fixed or looked after in many ways, come to EasyTech Phone Solution. Here you go. And he will, what's your name? Cyrus. There you go. Cyrus will look after you. So come to Alton for any phone repair or solutions. Okay? Mom's telephone's glass is broken, so she's gonna have it replaced. So don't forget, it's in Alton Shopping Center, right in front of Woolworths. Ayan, tapos na kami.
Bukas?
Yeah.
Anong oras?
I'm not sure. Alam niyo ba kung gaano kahirap magtulak ng trolley when you're feeling crippled yung isang paa? Pareho kami magdanhay. Ayan. Okay. Let's go. Ayan, paliko-liko. Ang hirap. Okay, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Till next time, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Maris Life in Australia. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Masay bye. Maris Life in Australia. Bye!
It's chilling to imagine what could have happened if these systems hadn't been delivered on time. Ukrainians couldn't have sourced a comparable number of Soviet-era Egloman pads, and even if they had, would they be as effective in modern warfare?
Look at how Mom's front garden now. With the help, the sweet potato is square off on the front. She actually got a land. Look, it's so much nicer and cleaner. See, look at that. Now she's happy. She can now come out here and walk and admire her garden. Look at that. Hello? You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Mommy's got a cough a bit this morning. Yeah. We go outside, huh? We go outside. I have bought two churros for two yesterday, but I can only eat few and take it home. So we'll go and take this outside. We'll go outside. chickens are noisy. You know what that means? That means it's laying eggs. More eggs. I like sitting at the back. See? Hear the chicken? Bak bak bak. Bak 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 bak. Bak 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 bak. That's my lemon. Hot lemon. Hot water lemon, and then take on this. I know it's bad for me, but I'm naughty.